nest full of stars and dreams. Little minds bloom with wonder and play. Welcome to Kiddie Wonder Nest.
Let's count the numbers 1 to 10. Clap your hands and tap your toe. Here we go, nice and slow. 1 is the sun, so big and bright. 2 are the shoes we wear just right. 3 little ducks go quack, quack, quack. 4 toy cars go zoom and back. Let's count, come sing again. Let's count the numbers 1 to 10. Jump around and shout hooray. We're learning numbers every day. 5 bright stars up in the sky. 6 crayons draw a rainbow high. 7 bubbles float with gentle cheer. 8 balloons go up in the air. Let's count, come sing again. Let's count the numbers 1 to 10. Wave your hands and stomp your feet. Learning numbers is so sweet. 9 teddy bears in a funny race. 10 happy kids with a smiling face. We count it all 1 to 10. Let's sing it loud and start again. Counting's fun with me and you. Let's play and learn the whole day through.
Kiddie Wonder Nest full